Hey, Dig fam. Have you ever heard of someone buying a piece of TV history for the exact cost of a Hollywood blockbuster? Today we're talking about art collector Tina Trahan, who just scooped up the Brady Bunch house, and the price tag might surprise you. Cut to inside replica footage, an exact replica of the 70s sitcom's interior, a life-size dollhouse with 0 working appliances, and purchased for just $3.2 million. Stick around to find out why Tina calls it the worst investment ever, but also her proudest haul. The deal, host? In September 2023, Tina Trahan, wife of former HBO CEO Chris Albrecht and longtime Brady Bunch fan, bought the Studio City house for $3.2 million, which was about 9% less than HGTV paid in 2018. Architecturalist.com, people.com, they're HGTV originally bought it for $3.5 million, then invested nearly $2 million to rebuild the interior as a faithful replica of the Brady Bunch set. Fox Business, COM News, 5cleveland.com, people. The dollhouse insert nostalgic footage of the orange-green kitchen and floating staircase. But here's the kicker: none of the appliances work. Tina quipped, "No one is going in there to make pork chops and applesauce in that kitchen, people.com, people." The Guardian. It's essentially a life-size art installation, the worst investment ever. By conventional standards, people. Part 3. A passion purchase, 2 o'clock to 2:45, host. For Tina, though, it's priceless but not for profit. In a follow-up, she clarified she didn't buy it to flip it. She bought it like a piece of art, people. Clip or still of Tina smiling in a room. She's preserving every retro detail. Bring in anything modern, and it's no longer the Brady House art. People. COMN, Wikipedia.org, Part 4. Monetary value V's, cultural value minus 245 to 330. HOSTHDV listed it for $5.5 million in 2023, but it only sold for $3.2 million. People. People. Even HGTV agents admitted they likely overpaid back in 2018. But Tina isn't thinking real estate ROI. She's thinking impact. Fundraising events, charity rentals, nostalgia tours, dreaming of turning this into a magical experience for fans and supported charities like No Kid Hungry News, 5cleveland. Part 5. What comes next? Tracy 34. She's even launched the Brady Experience, a sweepstakes giving lucky fans brunch and a tour inside. The house with original cast members, complete throwback vibes and nostalgia. Reddit, Kumbuzi Nessi, Charity, community, Ketru love Tina. Just turn TV history into real-world impact. So is $3.2 million for a non-functional, art-level replica a bargain or bonkers? Was this a genius move or nostalgia run wild? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you loved this dive into the Brady Bunch house story, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. For more deep digs into pop culture treasures, you're at the right place. Dig Talk, where we dig. End with channel branding and a blooper or quick fun fact about the Brady Bunch.